Check 1 2. It is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2023, and I've been away for a couple of days. Took some time off with the family, and then was under the weather for the last couple of days as well. But feeling a little bit better here today, and we're looking like we're opening up inside of yesterday's range. Some somewhat active, large range days in the overall market last couple of days, but we have Uber popping up here. What was it, 7.5% on earnings? We've got a couple of big moves yesterday. Look at this NVIDIA. So let's see what happens. Let's set some levels. Here's Uber coming back up to the 90s. I am thinking about jumping the gun here and taking this Uber. See if I can get filled in the 90s up here against this 35. Did not get it. $96, $97, I got a partial. I did get filled there. Short Uber, I am short Uber at 97 cents. Tesla's on highs. Let's see what happens. Does this Uber come dropping out here? Let's see what happens. Baba still down there. Tesla coming to highs. 164 high a day Tesla. Let's go back to Baba. Can this Uber get down? Or is it going to pop up above 35? Looks like it's popping up above 35 here. Might run to stop me out. Uber running up above 35. Here's Meta on highs. Uber into the 20s. Might get stopped out here. Stops at 30 cents. Just really look like they would defend that 35. Back below 35 here. Let's see what happens. Can we get down below the 80s? Here's the 80s. We coming in. 83. 84. Drop into the 70s here. There's the 70s. Did not really get down. It popped up real quick from those 70s. Wow. It bounced real quick from those 70s. Curious to see what it looks like once it gets back there. Let's take a look. So we got Meta on highs, 245 high a day. Here's Uber coming into the 70s again. Can it get down? Are they going to sell this thing off? Here's the 60s. I'd like to see it run back down below 50 cents. Let's see if they pound it here. They did not. There's 60 cents. Gonna take off 300 there. Got a quarter of my position left. Just want to see if they drop it out at this point, but we're scalping here today, so I'm just gonna take it and run. I just think that there's a good chance that we might get down there, but maybe not. Can't really get above 70 cents right now, can it? Uber. Gonna go ahead and set a stop here. If we get above 70 cents, I'm gonna be out. Otherwise, I'm looking for this move back down to lows. Let's take a look. So Meta, we got Tesla, which is on highs. 166 high a day. Tesla, AMD on highs. AMD high a day. Apple on highs. Apple high a day. Amazon on highs. Amazon high a day. Let's set that. And Uber's still struggling. Uber still struggling. Basically looking for that zone down there. Still recovering, still not feeling 100%. Interesting spot here. Uber holding up. Wonder if they can flush back down to these 30s. Let's take a look at everything else. So Uber doing very heavy volume. Here's 50 cents coming up again. I wonder if they're going to crack through that. Tesla, big pop up, came in into resistance up there. Market selling off. Amazon popped pre-market highs, came back in. AMD came back in. Apple came back in. Nvidia just cracked pre-market lows. Let's go ahead and set low a day down there. Nvidia coming in hard. Wow, lots of selling on Nvidia. Wow. Lots of selling on Nvidia. And Uber kind of holding up here. Nope, got stopped out on Uber. And I'm flat Uber, that's totally fine. We're just scalping here. It's the first few minutes. Fresh news. Big level here to lean against. Almost stopped me out up here. So good stop placement. Looks like it wicked up there and then might come and run those 50s now. We'll see. But either way, happy with that little scalp that we're just scalping here today. Microsoft trying. Microsoft's pushing up against that resistance. That's interesting. It's up at 309.20s. So 308.20s. Microsoft. Bidding for some Microsoft. Down in the 20s. Amazon on highs. Microsoft on highs. Bidding for Microsoft down here in the 20s. See if I can pick some up for a long. This thing looks like it wants to go above 309. Let's see if I can get a reactionary scalp back down here to the area, this pre-market high area, and then pick some up for a trip to retest highs up at 309. I think, yeah, this thing has room to like 309s, 310s. But let's see if we get any down there first. Market coming in. Market still coming in. Microsoft holding up down here. I'm not going to chase this up. I'm pretty set on getting my price down here at pre-market highs. It's already up here, testing high a day. Looks like there might be a buyer in there. Let's see if they let it drop out to the 20s here, down to the 40s, but didn't really let it go below 40, did they? At 40, some business here at the half. Here's Amazon coming to new highs. Amazon, New highs. Oh, here's the Microsoft down here at the 30s. I am at 27 cents. I did not get filled. I got a partial. I did get it. I am long Microsoft here at 27-cent average. We are looking for a return trip to highs. My stop is down below 80 cents. Let's see what we get. Ideally, we're looking 309s. I don't like the way that this didn't reject that 20s level, though. I'd like to see it back up above quickly. Let's see what we can do. I don't like how this is sticking around here. I'd like to see it rejecting these levels and moving back up quickly. Got numbers in 7 minutes as well. Let's see, can this Amazon, why do I keep calling this Amazon? Microsoft. Can this Microsoft make its way back up? Failing here. Coming in to test 8. Here comes Microsoft. Can we get up? Can we go run for highs here? Market's still coming in. Baba, which I tried to short earlier, making new lows. Never got back up to that spot. Here is Microsoft coming up. I'm going to take profit as this thing goes. I don't trust this thing at all. I'm just scalping here today. Let's see if we can get up to new highs. Nope, came right back down in. We're just scalping. Let's see that upward momentum continue. I'm just bailing on it. What did I get? 24 cents. I didn't like how it failed there, so I just bailed on it. That might be it for me this morning. I am not feeling great. And my eyes are watering and throat hurts, so I think I'm going to go rest. Maybe get some other work done. We'll see if Microsoft ever makes it back up there, but just scalp that out for a small win, and I think that's going to be it.